Hello viewers, today for initial checkout we have a set of Panasonic cordless telephones. This is a model KX-TG6841. And now that model number is KX-TG6844B, which I guess would be indicating the fact that it shipped with 4 handsets and is black in color. This is broken. The tabs broke off of this during shipping because it wasn't packed very well. But it seems to still, well, running it, don't move it around. It seems to still work okay. It's plenty stable the way it is. This has some branding on the side that I've never seen before. Range boost. I don't know if that's equivalent to 6 Plus or if that's something else. It is far too cold today, but perhaps at some point in the near future it will warm up enough to be able to take these outside for a few minutes and do a range test. It actually wasn't too bad today. It was relatively warm out, but the sun has set and the temperature has dropped substantially. So anyways, let's begin by ringing these up and see if they work. They seem to be working. That's a nice big caller ID screen on there. I like that.
Call from Ring.
Testing, testing, 4, 5, 6. Oh jeez. My phone is all tangled in the camera cord. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. 1, 2, 3. Check, check, check. And we know the speakerphone works because it's beeping. Check, check, check. Testing, testing, testing. That seems to work. Check, check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. Testing, testing, check. That's working. Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3. Check, check. 1, 2, 3. That's working. The button layout is kind of odd on this one. Normally the speakerphone is up here. On this one it's down at the bottom. Does this... Good grief. Does the speakerphone work? Testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is working as well. Okay, let's check the buttons.
No message. Answer on. To erase all messages. No message.
Okay, that seems to work. Let's see the handsets now. I gotta get a new call going here. Okay. Okay, so that is all working. Now we'll take a look into the answering machine.
Answer off. Answer on. Monday, 12:43 a.m.
Alright, let's see here. Let's put an entry in the phone book. Can we not put an entry in the phone book from the base? Oh, there we go. Nope, we may not be able to. That's kind of ridiculous. We'll leave it on just to test it, because I'm curious if it goes to the handsets or not. And that's all the settings it has on there. Jeez. Well, what's the point of having that stuff on the bases if it doesn't have any functionality?
Hello, we are not available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call. Record greeting after the beep.
I prefer the old voice better. I don't know why they had to change it.
I prefer the...
Call from a phone call.
I prefer the old voice better. I don't know why they had to change it.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
It's going to have a feedback.
And I didn't even check to see if it was screening on the other handsets. Okay, let's try that again.
Call from a phone call.
The old voice better. I don't know why they had to change it. Does it screen on each of the handsets? Yes, it does. It screens on each handset.
I suspect it has to be changed on every handset. It does. Oops.
Call from a phone call.
I prefer the old voice better. I don't know why they had to change it.
This is a test with hopefully no feedback in it. 1 2 4 7 2 5 9 8 5 5 5 1 2 3 4 out.
Three new messages.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. It's going to have a feedback.
Monday, 12:45 a.m.
Does it screen on each of the handsets? Yes, it does. It screens on each handset.
Monday, 12:46 a.m.
This is a test with hopefully no feedback in it. 1 2 4 7 2 5 9 8 5 5 5 1 2 3 4 out.
Monday, 12:48 a.m. End of final message. To erase all messages, press erase again. No message.
Can't even set the date and time on this base. Hardly set anything on there. I like that that can be used as a select button that makes navigating there very easy. That's got a pretty nice standby screen too. Time could be bigger, but it's not bad at all. Bigger than most phones are. It's not quite as big as the handset though. Alright, I'll record a message on the test phone here.
Keith.
Okay, this is a test. I'm going to go in the other room here and record the distance to make sure the range is working. Handset. Put it near the camera and you'll be able to hear what I'm talking about. Testing 1, 2, 3. That's kind of odd. That's going to conclude this test.
One new message and 19 old messages. Message 1.
Okay, this is a test. I'm going to go in the other room here and record from a distance to make sure the range is working. Testing from across the room. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. There's a very strange, almost like a feedback sound on this handset. I'll put it near the camera and you'll be able to hear what I'm talking about. Testing 1, 2, 3. That's kind of odd. That's going to conclude this test.
End of messages.
That sounds like it has a really good pickup on the speakerphone. Okay, these are all working and ready to get cleaned up.